Okay, but this is going to be a pain in the ass. This one is Total Carnage, coming with a glitch after the first boss, and it turns out it was a fake NVRAM chip. I'm going to have to play it for a little while, so I'll set the old camera up and we'll get on. CMOS chip invalid because it's brand new. Yeah, as expected. Okay, no sound board, so we're just on playing, and I won't be playing it correctly, I will just be getting through it as fast as possible. Because I'm playing on a wire, which is not ideal. There's a warp room or something. Shortcut, there it is. Straight to the boss. So now we've got to defeat the boss. I think. Yeah, once again, this is not a gameplay session. Seems fine to me. 10 seconds. Okay, so I think this is fine. I'm not going to play it all day on the wire. So, as you can see there, all still fine. Obviously that's not a good place. So now, let's just turn him off. And do the track mode loop. I'll hold it, get a better view, and you should get the CMOS okay now, because the RAM's initialized. Pardon me. Just had me dinner. There we go, you see. Spot on. Cool. There we go. Hang on, we'll wait a full demo cycle. Yeah, very cool game, but it's one of those you need the correct controller for it. Great looking sprite, that, isn't it? Well, there we go. Excellent game. Pretty simple repair. NVRAM chip. Not bad.